Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the Castle app on your PC using Moomoo Player. If you want to enjoy Castle on a bigger screen with better performance, stick around, it's super easy. First things first, you'll need two things, a Windows PC and Moomoo Player, which is a free Android emulator. Moomoo Player is lightweight, fast, and perfect for running mobile apps on your computer. If you don't have Moomoo Player installed yet, just head to the official website, download the installer, and run it. The installation takes just a few minutes, and once it's installed, open it and you're ready to go. Alright, let's install Castle. Here's how. Open Moomoo Player and wait for it to fully load. You'll see the Android home screen. Look for the Google Play Store icon. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tap on it to open the Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Castle and hit enter. Look for the official Castle app in the search results. It should have that Castle logo. Tap on it to open the app page. Click the big green install button. The download and installation process will start automatically. Just wait a few moments when it installs, and this usually takes between 30 seconds and a minute depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an open button. Click on it to launch Castle directly, or you can find it on your home screen anytime you want to play. And that's it guys, you have Castle running on your PC through Moomoo Player. You can enjoy it on a larger screen with smooth performance. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. And if you run into any issues, drop a comment below. Thanks so much for watching guys, and have fun with Castle.